Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Confirm your AirPods are charged and paired to the source device. Open Bluetooth and select AirPods as the active audio device so sound routes correctly. Once done, start screen mirroring using AirPlay or your mirroring app and choose the target display. Make sure the source device stays awake and close to the AirPods to prevent disconnects. These steps ensure audio priority is set before video streaming begins, avoiding lag and rerouting midcast. Now switch audio without breaking the mirror. Access Control Center or the Mirroring Apps audio menu while casting and pick your AirPods from the output list. You should hear audio immediately. If not, pause playback and select AirPods again to force the route. Some apps send audio to the display by default, so make sure system-level audio is set to AirPods rather than the TV. Keep both devices on the same Wi-Fi network, if using wireless mirroring to reduce latency, and avoid automatic fallback to the screen speaker. Finish by verifying playback and lip sync. Play a video and listen for delays, then adjust device and AirPods volume to match. If audio drops, reselect AirPods in audio outputs or toggle Bluetooth to re-establish the connection quickly. When persistent latency happens, lower mirroring quality or switch to a wired audio option. Use a Lightning/USB-C adapter or connect AirPods via a compatible transmitter. Keep firmware updated on all devices. That prevents many.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.